Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of moringa leaves, a superfood with astonishing health benefits that might surprise you. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your skin and hair, moringa is a true nutritional powerhouse. In this video, we'll unveil the top 10 amazing benefits of moringa leaves, and we'll also share various ways to incorporate this nutritious green into your daily diet. By the end, you'll be amazed by the wonders of moringa and inspired to take your health to the next level. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about healthy living and natural remedies, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on wellness and nutrition. Let's get started. Moringa leaves, often referred to as the miracle tree or drumstick tree, have gained significant popularity in recent years for their outstanding health benefits. This powerhouse of nutrition has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is now making its way into modern health-conscious lifestyles. Rich in nutrients, moringa leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, and A, calcium, potassium, and iron. Incorporating these leaves into your diet can help meet your daily nutritional needs. A potent antioxidant, moringa leaves are loaded with antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa has natural anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for those with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Lowers blood sugar. Some studies suggest that moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential aid for those with diabetes. Supports heart health. Moringa may lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, thanks to its content of antioxidants and heart-healthy compounds. Boosts immunity. The high vitamin C content in moringa helps boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Aids digestion. Moringa leaves have been used traditionally to alleviate digestive issues. They promote healthy digestion and help reduce constipation. Weight management. Moringa can be a valuable addition to your weight management plan. It's low in calories and high in nutrients, making it a great choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. Glowing skin. Moringa's skin-boosting properties, along with its anti-aging effects, can help you achieve healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Enhanced energy. Consuming moringa leaves can provide a natural energy boost, helping you stay active and alert throughout the day. How to incorporate moringa leaves into your diet. Now that you're aware of the incredible health benefits of moringa leaves, you might be wondering how to include them in your daily meals. Here are a few simple ways. Moringa powder. Moringa leaves are often dried and ground into a fine powder. You can add this powder to smoothies, soups, or sprinkle it on salads. Moringa tea. Steep dried moringa leaves to make a refreshing and nutritious tea. Salads. Fresh moringa leaves can be used in salads as a nutritious and flavorful addition. Stir fries. Add chopped moringa leaves to your stir fries or curries for a boost of nutrients. Moringa capsules or supplements. If incorporating moringa into your diet isn't convenient, you can also consider moringa supplements available in capsule or tablet form. Incorporating moringa leaves into your diet is a great way to reap their numerous health benefits and boost your overall well-being. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on health and nutrition. Make moringa leaves a part of your daily routine and experience the remarkable changes in your health and vitality.